Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to check and manage the internet connection settings on your TP-LINK Deco X50. So first let's go over to more. Now in the more section we will have the internet connection. Now there's a tutorial on our channel on how to download the app, how to create an account, how to log in and how to set it all up, so don't worry. Everything's on our channel, you guys can find it. And as you guys can see here, we have the internet connection settings. We can block the ping from WAN, so we can disable it or enable it. It's all up to us. I recommend enabling it so you don't get DDoSed easily. And here we will have our internet connection type, the IP address, the DNSs, and here we also have the internet backup, and here we have the internet settings like the MTU size, DNS address, and internet connection type. Here we can also change it to IPv6, but we need to enable it. As you guys can see, we can enable the IPv6 right here, so it was here in the internet settings. Now let's just click save, and as you guys can see, we will be able to change the IPv6 too. So here we have the IPv6, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.